Have you ever wondered how much of an impact your diet can have on your cancer treatment? This is a question that caught the attention of many worldwide. Our food choices can be powerful in our fight against cancer. Food isn't just nourishment, it's a weapon and a form of protection against diseases like cancer. Consider food as ammunition in the battle within our body, with certain foods acting as supercharged ammunition. Specifically, herbs and vegetables contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that aid our cells in combating cancer. These substances neutralize harmful molecules and interfere with cancer's growth. Superfoods. These are foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. Among superfoods, herbs and vegetables with anti-cancer properties stand out. They're not a cure-all, but in combination with other treatments, a diet rich in these superfoods can prove beneficial. The link between nutrition and health is undeniable. What we eat matters, particularly when fighting something as serious as cancer. So, are you ready to arm yourselves with the best ammunition possible? Let's explore the top 5 herbs and vegetables that you can include in your diet to aid in your cancer treatment. First on our list is turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice that's more than just a kitchen staple. This golden wonder is hailed for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, both of which play a significant role in cancer prevention and treatment. What makes turmeric such a potent ally against cancer? The answer lies in curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. This compound has been studied extensively for its medicinal properties, and the results are promising. Research indicates that curcumin can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even prevent them from spreading to other parts of the body. But that's not all. Curcumin's antioxidant properties help protect healthy cells from damage, a key step in preventing cancer. It's like having a mini shield that guards your cells against harmful invaders. So, next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a dash of this golden spice to your dishes. A little sprinkle of turmeric in your meals can go a long way in aiding your treatment. Next up is a vegetable that you might have avoided as a kid, broccoli. This tree-like veggie, often overshadowed by its more popular cousins, is a hidden gem in the world of health. It's packed with sulforaphane, a compound that's been making waves in the scientific community. Sulforaphane is a superhero when it comes to combating cancer. It has the remarkable ability to seek out and eliminate cancer stem cells, those troublesome cells that contribute to tumor growth and spread. This means that sulforaphane, and by extension broccoli, can play a crucial role in cancer prevention and even treatment. But the might of broccoli doesn't stop there. This green powerhouse is also brimming with essential nutrients and antioxidants that boost your overall health. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to invite broccoli to the table. It turns out this green veggie is mightier than it looks. Garlic, a common ingredient in many dishes, holds more benefits than just adding flavor to your food. This humble bulb is packed with powerful compounds that can wage war against cancer cells. Garlic contains a potent substance known as allicin, which has been shown to halt the growth and multiplication of cancer cells. Moreover, garlic is a natural immune booster. It's rich in antioxidants that help strengthen your body's defenses against various diseases, including cancer. By boosting your immune system, garlic helps your body fight off harmful cells more effectively. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly stomach and colorectal cancers. And the best part, incorporating garlic into your diet is as easy as adding a clove or two to your favorite dishes. So don't shy away from adding a little extra garlic to your dishes. Ginger, a root known for its distinctive flavor and medicinal properties, is next on our list. This spicy, fragrant root packs a powerful punch, and not just in your favorite dishes. One of the key components of ginger is a compound known as gingerol. Now, gingerol may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's very real, and it's the main bioactive compound in ginger. Research has shown that gingerol possesses anti-cancer properties. It has the potential to prevent and slow the growth of cancer cells, making it a potent ally in the fight against this disease. But that's not all. Ginger is also known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is often a precursor to cancer, so by reducing inflammation we can also help to combat cancer. So don't be shy about adding a sprinkle of ginger to your meals. It's a simple, tasty way to fortify your body against disease. Ginger really does bring a touch of magic to your meals. Last but not least, we have spinach, a leafy green that's a powerhouse of nutrients. This chlorophyll-packed vegetable is a titan in the world of superfoods. Spinach is laden with antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which are known to combat oxidative stress in our bodies, a major factor in the development of cancer. But that's not all. Spinach is a rich source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a critical role in DNA repair and synthesis. This means that spinach can aid in preventing the mutations that can lead to cancer. Moreover, spinach contains high levels of magnesium, a mineral that helps in maintaining a healthy immune system, which is our first line of defense against cancer. And don't forget about vitamin K, a nutrient that spinach offers in abundance. Vitamin K is believed to help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including liver and prostate cancer. Popeye was onto something when he chose spinach as his superfood. In conclusion, your diet plays a crucial role in your battle against cancer. We've explored 5 superfoods in this discussion that can potentially support your body in this fight. The list includes turmeric, laden with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, broccoli, filled with sulforaphane, which might impede the growth of cancer cells, and garlic, which contains the active compound allicin, known for potentially reducing the risk of cancer. We delved into the health virtues of ginger and spinach, both recognized for their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cancer risk-reducing qualities. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet could make difference. If you found this information useful, please remember to hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Stay tuned for more engrossing and beneficial health. Thank you for investing your time in watching our video on the top 5 superfoods that could potentially aid in the fight against cancer. We hope you found these insights valuable. Remember, a healthier lifestyle doesn't have to be a monumental task. It can start with simple steps like incorporating these superfoods into your daily diet. Turmeric, broccoli, garlic, ginger, and spinach. These are not just ordinary foods, but rather nature's secret weapons that might help your body stay resilient. So why not give it a try? If you appreciate our work and want to stay updated with more health tips and insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support fuels our motivation to bring more such informative content to you. Stay healthy, stay informed. We hope to see you in our next video. Until then, take care and keep adding more power to your plate.